Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Hope everybody's staying safe. Okay. All right. Today's assignment is very, very simple. Okay. Today we're starting a new concept altogether. Just a new lesson. Okay. What we're gonna see on the next 6 weeks is a variable you guys probably haven't seen in math. Okay. Before that variable is e. Okay. E. You might ask yourself, what do you mean there's a variable? Okay, E has a specific value when it comes to math. Okay, there's a few actually that have a specific value, like I. Remember, I squared is -1. Okay, E has also a value. Okay, the value for E is usually round up to 2.71. Okay, obviously keeps on going, but we only use that part of the equation. Okay, so it's approximately, sure, do a little wavies for equal. So it's approximately 2.71. Okay, get familiar with it. All right, also, if you guys remember previous concepts, we started dealing with isotopes. Okay, we had a parent equation and then we had our altered equation. Okay, remember the equation we're gonna deal with next class. Today we're not really gonna deal with an equation. Okay, I'm just gonna write it up here just so you guys can get familiar with it. We're gonna work on it next class. The base of your equation, okay, is f of x equals e x, okay. We sometimes might have an h, okay, plus k. But the very basic equation itself is ex, okay? Keep in mind that when it comes to variables, okay, any variable, could be I, it can be e, it can be x, any variable, or even number, should I say, is to the 0 power is just 1, okay? Anything to the 0 power, should I say, is just 1. So 1 to the 0 power equals 1. E to the 0 power equals 1. Okay? Anything to the 0 power is just 1. Okay? If it's to the first power, then it's just the value itself. So we have 1 to the first, then it's just 1. If it's e to the first, then it's 2.71. Okay? The same with any other number. 3 to the 1 is just 3. 3 to the 0 is just 1. Okay? Get familiar with that as well. Okay? Anything to a 0 power is just 1. Okay? E is approximately 2.71. Okay? The parent equation for the next few concepts, again, is f of x equals ex. Okay? I will say this. Make it always simple on yourself. Okay? When it comes to charts. Always try to make it positive. Keep it on the positive side, okay? Pretty much that's it for today's video, okay? Just a little rundown of what we're gonna cover, okay? Something to get familiar with, okay? Make sure you submit a picture of your notes, okay? With the assignment. All right, the assignment for today is, okay? What are we gonna cover in the 6 weeks? Okay, hint. Okay, what else? Maybe a parent equation. Remember, you can also say what h and k are. Okay, any of those things. Also, guys, make sure that when you send the email, from now on, okay, when you send an email on the subject, you put your name, what class it is, and the date of the assignment. Okay, it's very important, guys, because some of you have more than one class. Okay, on the same day, okay, or even on the next day. Make sure you put your name, the class that is for, and the date that assignment you're sending is for. Sometimes you might not send it the same day, you send it the next day. Put the date the assignment was due, okay? If today's the 16th and it was due on the 15th and you're sending it today the 16th, put your name, whatever class it is, and then the 15th, okay? Not the day you send it, but the day it was due. Makes it a lot simpler for me whenever you guys send late work as well to know what work it is, okay? All right, guys. So I'll be here waiting for your email.